What's up YouTube, it's your boy Jet. I'm coming to you today with how to install easy Lightroom mobile presets on your mobile device, be it Android, iPhone, and even desktop to get photos like these. So the first thing you want to do is go to Safari and type in wherever your link is to the preset you want to download. Today I'm going to be downloading my own preset called Chill. Click the preset. Scroll down, add to cart. This preset is free if you want to download my preset. I'm going to leave a link below in the description. Type in your email address. I agree to the terms. Hit continue. It's going to take you to a processing your payment. Confirmation to your email. Scroll down, go to wherever your email is at. Click the email. Hit download product. Open. Download again. Now it's going to take you to open an iZip on mine, but what you need to do is go to your app store, type in iZip, and download it. I already have it downloaded, so I will just hit open. But I'm going to go back to this, open that iZip, open in Lightroom, launch Lightroom. I'm going to go to the first picture they load up. Now this is the picture you're going to see when you're downloading your preset. What you need to do is copy the settings from whatever picture they have up. So you want to hit copy. Okay. You want to create a preset. I'm going to name this Chill. And just to test it out, I'm going to swipe over to a previous picture. I'm going to go to Chill preset. Bingo. Now I'm just going to tweak that preset to how I may like it. I might take the blues down, add some exposure, and turn the contrast down just a little bit. And bingo, there you have it. That's how you download a Lightroom preset. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and until next time.